Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel, and today I'm going to show you how to draw that 3D rainbow from this simple flat illustration. And if you're interested how you can do it in Adobe Illustrator, then keep watching. Now you see the size of my workspace, and these are colors which I'm going to use in my tutorial. And if you want to take a closer look at the design and to download an original vector file with colors and my design, you can do it on my Patreon page. The link will be below the tutorial. And guys, if you want to start sell your designs online, for example on Adobe Stock or Shutterstock, when I invite you to meet with my new book 50 Easy Ideas, it's a book for beginner designers who wants to start sell their designs online, as I already said. And if you want to know more about my book, you can go below the tutorial and you will find the link on my book below the tutorial. And as well, here you can find video instruction about my book and my 10,000 portfolio on Adobe Stock. Well guys, hope your workspace is ready and colors are already in the swatches panel. Let's take green color and ellipse tool and create the ellipse, for example, like that. Now go to a object, path, offset path and -75, okay. And take yellow color. Now again object, path, offset path, -75, okay, and pink color. And again object, path, offset path, -75, okay, and white color. Okay, that's all. Now select the white and pink ellipses, go to Pathfinder and exclude. Okay, now we need to copy and paste white shape and select the yellow ellipse and go to Pathfinder, exclude. Now ungroup, unselect that part and delete unwanted part. Okay, and now take yellow color and here we need pink. Now copy and paste the yellow ellipse, select the copy and green ellipse, Pathfinder, exclude, ungroup and delete unwanted part. Okay, and take green color. Okay, that's all. Now we need to cut off the part of the ellipses, so take rectangle tool and create rectangle, for example like that, and twice copy and paste it, so we need 3 rectangles. Select the pink ellipse and one of the rectangle and Pathfinder, intersect, and the same with others ellipses, and change the colors here. Okay, the rainbow is ready. Now clouds. Take white color and ellipse tool and create some ellipses like this. Okay, it's great. Let's make background to see the ellipses. For example, let it be yellow. Send it back. Okay, now I see. Let's move the ellipses as you like the most, for example like that. Now you can delete the background and select all 4 ellipses, group them and go to Pathfinder, unite. Now hold Alt and make the copy, select both clouds and align them. Okay, now select the whole rainbow and clouds and group, it's very important. Now go to Windows, 3D and Materials. Okay, select the rainbow And now go with me step by step and take the options which I make here. There is no one rule to create 3D icon, so you always need to play with options to create the icon you like the most. So here you need to go with me step by step if you want to create something you like, so you need to play with options till you'd like the result. Okay, that's all. Now let's change here to high and render. Your design will be looks more better. And now let's rotate the design, for example, like that. Okay. Now let's create the background. Let's take pink color and rectangle tool, create the background like this and send it to back. Now select the background and take radial gradient. Here we need that pink and here light pink. Okay, you can move the gradient, for example, like that. And if you want, you can change colors here. Maybe better on the top will be green and here let it be pink. With help of direct selection tool, I select the part I needed and change their color. Now take white color and ellipse tool, create the ellipse like that, effect, distort and transform, free distort, and move that points like this. Okay, object, expand appearance. Make it smaller, rotate, move here, hold Alt and make some copies. Like this, okay. And now copy and paste the background. Make the copy thinner, like that. Take pink color, go to opacity, multiply, and 25% here. Okay, hold Alt and make some copies of that rectangle like this. Now Ctrl D, one more copy. Okay, that's all guys, the rainbow is ready. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about a graphic design. Bye bye guys. Mwah. Bye.